Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is my second, and today I'm going to be showing you my 8 sons, and I'm maybe going to be showing you my sisters. So today, I don't know what we're going to start with. I think we're probably going to start with these ones, and then we're going to go over to those ones. So, the first one is this pinkish. It's like a pink.
I think I do too. Let's go tell Terry. Okay.
But yeah, it has some pom-poms.
The one we decided on is the Montana, the first one we saw with the big front living room.
That's awesome. That's going to be great for you guys. Okay. Who's excited to go to the campground? We wound up choosing the very first one we looked at. We decided that that one just had the most space, and we couldn't be happier. Here, ladies, look, here's our site.
Okay, and this one is called Uniqlo. If you like it, it's down in the description. So, and it's called, and you can just buy it. This one's $1. And then this one, I decided to call it Peach. Or I was deciding on Peach or Nectarine. But yeah.
The girls love the new sleeping arrangement. We tend to pull out both of the beds for them and give them a little bit more space, and it's just a big slumber party.
We're very happy with the fifth wheel. It gets us down, it brings us closer. It couldn't be more perfect.
And then here is my second one. Still my second. If you guys can't hear me, I am so sorry. But here's this one. This one is called, what is I name it? This one's Sun. This one's $1.50. This one is $2.15 because this one took me forever. First it was ruined, then it was perfect, and then I added some more stuff, and then it got ruined, and then it was perfect, and now it's just perfect. So.
There's a lot of dirt, so having a nice shower where you can have some space is really important.
Yeah.
Big difference. One of these, we're going to have to get a big truck. It is a cost. The truck is not going to be cheap.
Another thing that would be nice in the dishwasher. We do cook a lot. I like to cook, make a big mess every time. I like to be able to have the convenience of just putting the dishes in the dishwasher. And if somebody pops by, we can store the dirty dishes in the dishwasher. So
Getting me out of the dish.
right, yeah. It's
This one I decided to call Angel because it reminds me of my grandma, because my grandma recently passed away and she was an angel. So it was white, and that is like the clothing, and then these gold, like.
I think if we go with a fifth wheel, we're looking at about 150. We're definitely going to have to buy a truck. If we go with the Class A, I think we're looking
250. Yeah.
Why don't you come on with me and we'll take a look at a couple over here. Sounds great. This is a fifth wheel.
But yeah, and the gold flakies, I call them flakies, but they're, you can see,
Alright, that's in our budget.
it's a star. It'll focus. Yeah, a star.
This is a fifth wheel.
And it just reminds me. This one I'm not going to sell because it just reminded me of my grandma. And every time I play with it, I feel like someone like doing this on my shoulder. And I just felt someone do it, not me, like right before, and I didn't want to tell you guys. For some reason, just there. This one is my favorite. These are falling out. I didn't add any more. Just look.
Oh yeah, look how big.
This layout takes a bit of room away from it, but it is a nice
Really
size.
nice.
Wow, this is a large room.
That doesn't want to do it.
Nice.
But yeah. This one I called Ocean Breeze. No, this one's Ocean. I was going to call it Aquaman, but then I decided not.
I love the theater chair.
But yeah.
Look up against the television.
And then you can just go like this.
Oh,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
cool.
Yeah, very comfortable.
Do these couches fold out?
They both do. They come together in the room.
Oh, I see. Okay. And this is good. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Do that one later. This one's my other favorite.
It's one of those things that we have
It's called
Yeah.
Ocean Breeze. My sister has one. I like hers because hers are better than mine. But I miss hers. She just decorated them.
No, probably not. But
Because this one pops a lot.
convection.
yeah. Okay. Good size.
How do you like the fridge?
Is it a residential?
It is not. It is an RV refrigerator.
Okay.
That was a nice room you designed that.
Yeah.
I think I told you this one. This one's Ocean Breeze Cheers, by the way.
There's a window back here.
Oh, yeah. Open it up and then.
I'm just going to show you this one to get it out of the way. Sorry my legs better because I'm right behind this.
I don't know. I guess we had.
And I live in California.
That's going to take up a lot of space that might be used for something else.
Right.
Look at this bucket.
What it looks
Oh
like.
yeah. Wow.
Lots of storage
Yeah.
over here.
Oh, that's really nice.
There's a lot of space in here. Good place for the coffee pot.
Yeah.
We know what's missing?
Oh, there's no dishwasher. Oh.
Back to Brian doing dishes.
Yeah. Oh, this is
The
good.
donut.
This is big.
Nice and tall.
Yeah.
Not necessarily roomy in here.
This one is Night Sky.
Shower's good.
No, Night Star. It's Night Star. I keep calling it Night Sky. It's Night Star. Star Night. Star Night. Something, 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 something. This one's my, totally favorites.
It's pretty nice. Looks like a king bed.
Yeah.
Natural light.
Hold on.
Nightstands.
Oh, yeah. Hey, that's great.
It had this little,
Oh, this is the washer dryer area here?
little
Okay.
alien. The little alien. He's kind of short. Oh. Here. I call him Priest. He has a little peace sign. And this just is alien goo. Look.
This is a class. This will be $245,000.
Oh, good. In the budget.
Let me show you a little bit of storage. Hopefully a little bit bigger than the last one.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's
Oh, that's nice. We could definitely fit bikes and even our kayaks. Oh, and there's another one. Oh,
two awnings. One for the door, which is nice.
really nice. Yeah, looks pretty good.
And then,
This is nice.
this is called alien goo. And then I just stick the little
God,
alien.
these floors are awesome. They're
I
beautiful.
do that.
Oh, and lift this table. Is this even
And yeah.
No, this does not need.
Oh, that's really great.
It's great.
This is nice.
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah, we can have
So yeah,
people here.
here were all of my 8s one. And I'm going to show you my sister. So hang on 1 second. Okay, hers were in the bag there right there. I got there in my room. That would have taken me 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's nice space. And the
I was
has a nice
So, this first one, I have to hurry because I think they're coming. And I don't want to get caught. So, I'm just going to go through hers really fast. This is purple. This one's pink. Nice and pink.
So it is a little tight over here when you
This one has
committing to
an ice cream, if you can't see that. Shoving it in here. And yes, I did. I got these from Slimy Goop.
good enough for Justin.
Yeah. Oh, this is comfortable.
Doesn't have a
I
recliner.
feel like someone's coming up.
Yeah. What about this chair?
We can take turns.
Oh, this is nice. It swivels. Oh yeah, I could be here for a while. This is comfy. You'd like that.
Green. The other one was silver. Nice blue color.
Yeah, forget about the
There. And I love that there's no
Silver.
parking in this area.
I mean gold.
Yeah, it's nice to
This
have
is
it
like a
on
deep
and
purple.
Yeah.
But I think with the Class A, you're just not going to have that high.
Right.
This is like a red, and this has like a Scorpio in it. Scorpion. I'm a Scorpio.
I love that.
And you know, it's really nice having this
Birthday's November.
have extra counter space. And this is
The first week, no, second week of November. There. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like. Make sure you share too.
Yeah, that's a great size for
Bye.
convection. So that's terrific.